I'm Abhishek Ghorpade, and today I'll be taking you through my entire life, which will give you a fair idea of what I am as a person. I'll start from the very beginning. I was born on the 14th of March, the same day Albert Einstein was born. Now, my parents have always put a lot of expectations on me. From the childhood, I have been a top performer in school. I was the topper in 12th, and I was among the top 3 in 10th. Now I'll put forth a point called the Pygmalion effect. The Pygmalion effect means that higher the expectations, higher is the output from the person. The same thing happened with me during my childhood. My parents as well as myself put a lot of expectations on me, and I did deliver them 100%. Another instance which I learned in school was that of Theory X and Theory Y managers. I was really lucky to work under teachers who were Theory Y managers. Now, what is Theory Y? Theory Y is nothing but the manager assumes that his subordinates are not lazy and burdens them and challenges them to work more. I have always been challenged to achieve more than what I have by my teachers, and I am really grateful to them. Throughout my life, I have tried to emulate them even at workplace and in my college, and I have been fairly successful in emulating the Theory Y manager postulate. In my college, I was a part of Footprints, which is a national level technical festival. During this event, I came to know the Fayol's 14 principles of management. Now, what are Fayol's 14 principles of management? To list a few, they are unity of command, unity of direction, and esprit de corps. What I learned in these was to manage an event on such a large scale, we need team power. We need individuality along with a leadership, along with team power. So I learned that when I was leading the team, leading the pack, I had to give them a proper direction, a proper command. Whereas when I was being led by someone else, we had to have a proper team structure wherein we all follow the leader in the way he demands. In my workplace, I was a part of the overhauling team of a gas turbine. In my short career span of 22 months, I have been to places like Nagpur, Mumbai, Bharuch, and Haryana. Having gone to various places, having got the various cultures, I feel I have an element of Navrang in me. What I have garnered through these places is that I have learned different cultures. I have the adaptability of adapting with different types of cultures. And what the concept of Navrang says is that in a cube, like all different 9 colors combined to make an organization structure, I can take up 3 or 4 different types of roles depending upon the situation. In my school, I was the school cricket team captain, wherein I showed the leadership qualities. Now, during those leadership qualities, I had to ensure that there is unity of command when I say anything to my teammates. Plus, there is esprit de corps when we teammates work together while delivering during the match. So these are the things I have learned throughout my life, and I have implemented them for the past 24 years of my life, and I'll continue to implement them in the future as well. And so I feel that this is what makes me a suitable candidate for the managerial job which you are offering, and I feel I'll be able to do justice to the job which I have been given. Thank you.